How to change playback speed on Spotify. And can you even do that? That's what we will see in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So let's go ahead and open up Spotify. And let's find a random uh, song or something like that, so we can see if we are able to change the playback speed. Let me play a random one. Now as you can see, we are on our song right here, and as you can see, there's no sign for us to change the speed of the song. And that's because as of right now, Spotify does not provide a feature or option to change the speed of the songs. However, it does provide the feature to change the speed of the podcasts. So let me just go ahead and select a random podcast. Let's wait for it to load. Going to choose just a random one for the sake of the explanation. Let me choose a random episode, say for example this one right here. Let's play it. And as you can see right here, uh, from this play uh, menu and options, you see that there's a sign on the left of the playback speed. If we clicked on it, you can see that it says change speed, so you can make it slower, or you can make it faster, up to 2 times to 3 times or 3.5 times, depending on what you want. And if you go back, you can see that it's activated on 2 times speed, and the podcast will be played accordingly. As you can see, it's playing very fast. Now maybe in the future, Spotify will be providing this feature. I don't know if they do provide it for premium as of right now, as I do not have premium. I'm only using the free version. But if it's available for premium right now, then it's good. But if it's still not available on premium, then maybe in the future they will come up with this feature and option and make it available for everyone. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change the playback speed on Spotify. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.